Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome back. We're at the creek near our home. I got my explorer tools. Join us. Let's see what we can discover today. Yallah, let's go.
Oh, something is swimming. It has a tail.
That's a tadpole.
He's so tiny, like a baby fish frog.
Let's come back next time and see how much he grows.
Whoa, he got bigger.
Tadpoles grow a lot in 1 month. They eat plants and get stronger.
Does he get legs next? I want to see legs.
Soon. Let's come back next month and check. He has legs. He's turning into a frog. This stage is called a froglet. He still has his tail, but he's growing fast. He's like half fish, half frog, a fish. When we come back next month, he'll change even more.
He's here on the rock. He can hop now?
He's a froglet, almost a frog, but he still has a tiny tail.
He's practicing.
Next month, he'll be a real frog.
He's a real frog now. Come back, little buddy.
He finished the whole life cycle from egg to tadpole to frog.
He's so fast.
Subhanallah, everything grows step by step. Look, friend, this is frog life cycle.
Whoa, he starts as eggs, then a tiny wiggly tadpole.
Then he grows legs, becomes a froglet, and finally a full frog.
Mashallah, I'm a frog expert now.
Today we watched our little friend grow step by step.
He went from a tiny wiggle to a super jumping frog.
I hope you enjoyed our adventure.
See you next time. Masalama.
Like our video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Masalama.